welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Nicole and you are also welcome here. So for today's video, it's my second collaboration with YesStyle, and YesStyle sent me another free gifts to review. And I am so excited to share it with you guys and to try them on. So let's go and unbox. Before we unbox, I just wanted to quickly thank YesStyle for sending me this products to review. And yes, so if you stay a little bit longer and if you are interested on how I became a YesStyle influencer, or if you want to be one too, wait at the end and I am gonna show you how to apply to become YesStyle's influencer. Let's check now what's inside. So the first item here is this one. This is a facial cleaning brush. I don't use facial cleaning brush and I'm so excited to try this. And that's the one here. And ooh, it's actually so soft. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, it's so soft. And I got mine in pink. I'm gonna try to insert like how much is this, but prices may differ because YesStyle have loads of discounts and promotions. So yeah, this is the first one. I think it's really cute. It's really cute. And then there's this string where you can like hang it. Yeah, let's try this. Next one is we have this shiny and soft foot peeling mask. Have you guys tried this? Okay. It says in 7 to 10 days after like using this, you have like soft foot. Okay. It is actually soft, but I'm excited to try this. This is something new. And oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. I have a new one. The color is so pretty. It's pink. So this is a headband. I think this is perfect for, you know, when you're washing my face and putting makeups. Oh, there's wire inside. I like this because normally, like the bunny ones, they don't have wire. So when you wear them, it's just like go bloop, like go bloop, like that. But this one, you can like do it like this to look cuter. The next one is, okay, these things are very interesting. I got this. This is a face lifting roller. So it goes here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh wow. That feels good. Oh. I hope this will help with my double chin. It will help my double chin to go away. Ooh. It's actually not painful. I thought when I first saw this, I thought like if I try this is gonna be painful, but not. Oh, that actually feels nice. Oh wow. I think this would be perfect if you have face mask, and then you just do it like this. Ooh la la. Ooh. And of course, I got it in pink. Look at that. Oh, those tiny flowers. And the next one is this hair drying cup. Oh, this is so cute. See that? Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do do do. Ooh, this is so nice. I think you do it like this and you roll it there. And oh la la, baby shark do do do. Baby shark do do do. Oh yeah. So that's the purpose of this. And it says here, oh, it's embroidered. It says hair drying cap. And I got it in yellow. Yep. So this is useful. I highly recommend this. And I feel like the material, it will help. It's so soft. So I feel like it will help with the hair. Because you know, like the towels, like the normal towels, they're not that soft. So like if you keep on twisting and then like you dry your hair like that, it's like makes your hair frizzy. So it helps with this one. So yeah. And oh, this is so cute. This is probably my favorite. I got this thing. Ta-da! Isn't it so cute? It's a phone holder. You know, like the pop socket. Here. So just insert your phone here. Cartoon phone stand. And I got it in purple because I said I have too many pink stuff. So I was like, ta-da! So like example, this is my case. So I can just put it there. And whoop. And whoop. It's so cute. Now we're heading to the clothes that this sent. Look at that t-shirt. Ta-da! I got a t-shirt. I got it in large because I wanted it to look oversized. Oh yeah, that's why I got the purple one. So I was like, oh, it's gonna be matchy with the shirt. So yeah, so I think this is perfect for summer and spring. You just want to wear shorts and tuck it in, or also like a home wear since all these stuffs are like quarantine essentials. And yeah, the material, it's not cotton, but you know the material for like the sportswear. So that's the material. I don't know what do you call that material. So yeah. And then, this is the last item. I got a jogging pants. Or sweatpants. Because in the Philippines we call it jogging pants. But here they call it sweatpants. So I got the sweatpants. So, this is the sweatpants. I got it in gray and small. Oh. Rock more. Yes, there's here it says rock more, and there's pockets at the back, 2 pockets, and oh, there's a string here. Look, you see, this type of pants are like really trendy now, but you can do like this. Whoop, whoop. It will be like pleated, not baggy. Yeah, I got it in gray, but I feel like it's gonna be long. But yeah. Got. And yeah, thank you so much again, YesStyle, for this. So this is all perfect for the quarantine. So like I promised, I am going to share to you how to apply or to become a YesStyle influencer. So I am going to link their Instagram link down below to the description box, and if you click that link, it will lead you to their Instagram page, the YesStyle Influencers. So in their post, you can see, like in one of their posts, it's actually on their bio. You just click the link, or you can click the referral link in the description box below, or you can DM me on Instagram so I can send to you my referral link. And there's another option where, you know, in the app, if you downloaded the YesStyle app, you know, where you do the shopping, the online shopping, there's in the settings area, there's this said like join the influencer program. So if you click that, and it will lead you to the application. I think that you should go and apply so you can have your discount codes and more discounts in promos, and you can receive free gifts through review, either, you know, on your Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, or even in TikTok. Yeah, and I think that, you know, for me, I am just a new YouTuber, so it doesn't matter. And on Instagram, I only have like 1,200 followers, and on YouTube, I'm literally a small YouTuber, and it doesn't matter, and they would still accept, and they will love you. So yeah, so that's how I, you know, became a YesStyle influencer. And yeah, and I, like, even before I even became like YesStyle influencer, I love their shop. I love the Korean makeups and their, you know, fashion. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned and enjoyed. And all the products, I'm all going to link it down below, and don't forget to use my discount code KEITHNICOLE. And thank you, and God bless. Bye!